guys, good morning. So today is Wednesday, December 18. So kagabi, matin ako ng Christmas party ng kasama ng kababayan sa barangay. So ngayon, nandito naman po ako sa East Avenue kasi atin naman po ako ng Christmas party namin sa Tumor Clinic sa mga may breast cancer. So ayan po, nandito naman po ako. Walang pahinga, puro Christmas party. So samahan nyo po ako mamaya sa loob. Kita na lang po tayo doon. Bye! Ayan guys, dito na ako sa loob. Sa 7th floor, dito po gagawin yung Christmas party. So paparegister po muna ako. So ayan po yung registration. Register po muna ako.
Pangalan ng doktor?
Ayan po yung aking staff.
Kasi nung muna kita nakita sa doktor, t-shirt.
So ayan guys, pasok na tayo yung loob po ng party. So, hanap po ako ng place.
Kaya mo tayo narito ngayong umaga para magbalik ng...
Ganyan dati, di ba? Okay! Sino dito ang may dalang birth certificate? Wala may birth certificate? Okay, sino dito ang merong boost? Oh, dahan-dahan. Kaya mo yung luhain ngayon. So, lagi na lang sila. Yes, sina. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Thank you. Okay, may birth certificate ka doon. Oh, congratulations. May nagdalang birth certificate. Katunayan na buhay po tayo.
Hindi ako early bird.
Eliza Sales, siya ay isang registered nutritionist and dietitian. Siya po ay graduate ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines, so siya po ay magna cum laude. Pakpakan natin, anong magaling itong ating speaker? Lahat pwede yung tanongin dito, libre to. Dapat may bayad to pero ilibre niya. 5th placer din po siya doon sa exam na yun, no? Napakatalinong babae na to. Tapos ngayon nagtatrabaho siya as Project Technical Assistant sa UP Manila College of Public Health, the Department of Nutrition. So mahilig.
Hello po, good morning sa lahat. Ayun po, magpapakilala lang po ako. Ako po ay si Bernard Gonzalez po. At ako isang registered nutritionist dietitian. At pag-uusapan po natin ay nutrition para po sa cancer, sa mga cancer patients po. Medyo pagpasensya nyo na po if medyo medyo off yung color. I think sa screen na po yun mismo. Ang specialty ko po is really on public health po. I am very close po, or rather may mga close encounters po ako sa mga cancers, mga cancer patients po. Like, namatay yung lolo ko po ay lost him sa lung cancer.
Two old friends meet again. We're more than places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time you know it's fine.
Hi, sis.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won it. Palakpakan naman po natin lahat. Ayun, ang gagaling pala ng mga kumanta dito. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know what love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance, and they take it. Maybe this time feel the love that they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won it. Feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. No, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won it. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay lang po ba lahat? Lumihis tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y humito. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Dahil sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo malabo. Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Dahil sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Kahit di ka na sa'kin. Thank you so much, everyone. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo.
Again, let us give a round of applause to Miss Jeremy Tranguilla for her...
Ayan, napakadami naman dito mga Team Blue. Yes, para po kayong merong tawag dito, team building. Pero una po sa lahat, gusto ko bati ng Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po kasi Ito, sabi kasi ng director namin, mag-spill daw ako. Okay lang po ba ako? Para mas malapit ako sa inyo. Ayan. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si CJ Villavicencio. Kung nandito po kayo nung last year, tandaan niyo po ako! Ay, ito pala si Mami! May utang pa ako sa inyo sa tulong sa Gcash mamaya, ha? Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po kasi andito kayo ngayon, nagbihes, nagpaganda, nag-makeup, nagkilay, nag-lip tint, nag-cheek tint. Kita ko talagang pinaghandaan. Ang gaganda. Diba, yung iba may buhok, yung iba wala, pero okay lang. Ang hahaba ng buhok natin lahat. Diba? Pero anyway, unang po katay para sa inyong lahat ay, alam niyo ba yung Through the Years? O sige po, hayaan nyo ako na lang yung kumanta, huwag nyo na ako sasabayan. Hindi, joke lang. Kung alam niyo po yung kanta, please sabayan niyo po ako. Ano po, tapos balay nyo pag, diba, lapit ako sa inyo, tapos sabayan niyo ako sa sale ngayon. Pero, ayan po, maraming salamat kasi hindi kayo
Ayan.
ganda ng skin na ipasok mo. Hindi ko po sa ulo to, kaya magpasensya niyo. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. So what's that? Let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you through the years. Didn't afraid of the life we've made. And I'm so glad to say I'm still with you through the years. Yes, palakpakan naman natin yun. Galing. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. Sino po yun? Sino pang gusto kumanta? Ayan, sige tuloy. I swear. Tayo nga po kayo. Love me everything I know. Can't imagine eating someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Galing-galing. Happy pala yung very simple ang puno. Kapag hep-hep, dalawang palakpak sa baba. Kapag hooray, you're going to raise both your arms up in the air. Okay? So, dito, move dito a bit sa center. Okay, so start na po tayo. Giling-giling na muna. Alright, sige. Magsisimula na po tayo, Ma'am Lex, no?
Sige.
Okay.
Ready na ba?
Ready na? Ready na? Ready na ba?
Okay, let's start. Okay, again. Hep-hep sa baba. Huling sa taas. Okay, ready? Alert? Alright. Sorry ma'am. Hurry, dapat hurry. Okay. Closer, closer. Closer.
Binibigyan din eh, no?
Very sorry ma'am. Eliminated na po. Again, closer. Closer. Sino manok nyo? Sino manok nyo? Okay. Okay, alert. Oh, very sorry, ma'am. Okay, lapit closer, closer. Sige, malapit na ilan na tayo, 7. Ang bilis ko naman pala. We have congratulations to Miss Margalo Ruchel. Saan po? Okay, congratulations. Next winner.
Wala rin ako nanalo doon. Ang dami pa rin. Wala ako nakuha.
Ma'am Gloria Evangeline, congratulations